welcome back to this India's AI Agents channel. So, I have just changed the name of my YouTube channel 2 days before because I was very interested in this AI topics. I thought to share what I have learned daily in the YouTube channel by sharing all the videos in this particular area. So you will also blow your mind after hearing what are the trends or what are the transformations that are taking place in this AI world. So let's get started. Today the key concepts are what is generative AI. We will learn what is agentic AI, what is the difference between these both, and flow of an agentic workflows, what are agents, and what are the AI tools which help us to create some no code workflows, and what are some AI trendy things that have seen today. So not very deep into this topics, just I want to tell on the zero level of these topics, like not going into more advanced versions, just basic things. So let's get started. So you all know these apps, right? This is ChatGPT, this is Claude, this is Midjourney, and this is Hagen. Each and every AI I have mentioned here gives you some response based on your prompts. So in ChatGPT, if you are asking for a prompt, it's just a response. It gives you a response based on your prompt. Claude is for content making. In the same way, if you ask any like a prompt, it gives you some content if you want to for any LinkedIn post or Instagram post. So it's respond like that. And Midjourney is to create images, and Agent is to create a short 10-minute YouTube videos. So these are the things that respond based on your prompts. This all belongs to this generative AI. Right now, if you are using any AI which responds to your prompt, only it will give you only one response to your prompt that belongs to the category of generative AI. So what they will do is they'll work on large language models. So they will store some data like Google data or something. So for example, I'll tell you how this ChatGPT. So when you search anything in ChatGPT, it will go to the Google search engine. If the data, it will search all the data on the question you have asked, on the prompt you have asked. So what it will do is it will just generate the summary of that answer, and it will give you the response. So this is the pattern which is happening right now. But what happened is the trend has changed. So this is the previous things. Right now what happened is the trend is changed and it moved to agentic AI. So what does this agentic AI will do? AI, this word is like a new term in this new phase. So people are using this now very frequently. This word has many things in it, many things in it, which makes your work very easy also. If you are well known, like if you know little bit, 60% of this or 50% of this, you will just understand what is the happening in AI and everything. So this will help you to automate your work also. So let's get started. So first of all, what is agentic AI? So I'll just start telling you what is agentic AI by telling the difference between these both. So in generative AI, what you are doing is you are just generating a prompt and you are getting it and you are getting a response. This is what a generative AI will do. But what does the agentic AI will do is it will not only provide you the answer, but it will act independently. So when you are asking a prompt like create a for example, let's go with an example. So if you are asking it to create a plan for tomorrow, what it will do is it will start planning itself. Like what it has to do is it has to create a plan. So it will take a daily routine of your data. It will take the daily routine So it has to find out the daily routine, and the second step is it has to find out what are the tasks you are doing daily, and third thing is like what you are doing at the evening times, like walking or something, that thing, and at the night, and what you're if you're having dinner, if you have to prepare the meals, it will write those steps. So what it will do is it will work based on the steps, and if it is failing something, it will iterate on itself. So it will be like it will be like independently taking decisions. So it will take the decisions independently based on your preferences without the human intervention. So here, if you are asking ChatGPT something, what you have to do is, if you want more good or precise answer, what you just do is you just give another prompt. Here this is not the format. What the Agentic AI will do is it will just respond, it will take the action, it will respond to that, it will plan again, it will take the preferences, or it will take the knowledge based on the previous things, and then it will respond to you. So what here it is doing is it is acting as an agent for your task. So better I'll explain this with another example. So if you are ordering a pizza, right, you just asked your Agentic AI to order a pizza and put it on cash on delivery. So what it will do is it will just write the steps. So it has to go to the nearest pizza store in net, it has to go to the nearest, it has to search for the nearest pizza store in maps, it will go to the store, it has to add a pizza, it has to check out the cart, and it has to set the payment to cash on delivery, and then it has to send us. So this is what the planning will be like. So basically what humans will do also, this is the planning. So what it will do is it will write all the steps, and it will execute one by one. So whenever it want to add a pizza, right, it don't know what is the pizza you are eating, or what is the pizza you like. So what it will do is it will just check your previous preferences or previous orders, what you have done, or previous ratings you have given for a pizza. So what it will do is it will just check all those pizza things, like what is the main pizza, and it will just add that pizza into the cart, and then it will put an order, and it will reply you that the order is successfully placed and it is on cash on delivery. So this is the process which is happening with Agentic AI. So here you may think that if the store is closed, here there is a other way. So what it is like, if the store is closed, what it will do? If it is a another AI, it's not, if it is not an Agentic AI, or if we have done this task through Generative AI, it will be like, it will stop the step and it will just respond to you that I did not find anything, so the store is closed. But what Agentic AI will do is it will iterate through this step, and it will find the other shop which is very near to you, like a 300-meter next to that shop. It will find that, and it will execute the remaining steps. So what it is doing is it is iterating through the steps again and again. If it is failing, it will iterate, it will find a good solution for that. So what it will do is it will act as an independent thing. So the decision making and the task execution and decisions and the preferences and everything, this depends on this Agentic AI. So mainly this Agentic AI works on knowledge and preferences, so knowledge and memory. So what you are doing is you are storing your previous things. Okay, let me explain this also with an example. So you have a project, like a front-end project, and you want to just fix some bugs, right? What you'll do is you'll just provide your front-end project to the agent AI. What it will do is it will just evaluate and what is happening within the project. So it like what you have done and what you have done before also, it will evaluate what you have done, what changes you have made, and how you fixed the bugs. What it will do is it will like it will have a knowledge on this project, that what is happening and everything. So right now what it will do is it will store everything in its memory, and if you raise a bug to solve it, what it will do is it will iterate through the steps, like what you have done, how the process, what is the process, it will get the knowledge on this, and it will react based on this. So that is Agentic AI. So I'm not going very deep into this, like what are the flows and everything. So just this is the basic thing, like what we have to deal with agentic AI. So there will be agents also. These work for us, the agents will work for us in this workflow. So I'll let you know later on this topics. So I have some things like some no code basing workflows, no code based workflows. So to design an agent, no need to code an LLM. You have to learn all the things like AI, ML, LLM, and you have to learn LangChain and everything. No need this all. So right now the advancement is already done. So you can use some apps which can build workflows for you, like agentic workflows for you. So I'll explain this in next video. And there are some AI trendy things also right now. I'll tell you two things. Recently, just before doing this video, I saw that Duolingo is stopping to use contractors that AI can handle. So AI use will be part of what we work for in hiring. AI will use the part of what we evaluate in performance reviews and headcount. So these all are the things which can be done by the AI. That is agentic AI's agent AI. So hiring can be done by agents through AI, as that is the process which can be which is doing daily. On daily basis we have to fetch details of the new job applications. We have to analyze those, and at last we have to conduct one round of interview. We have to make a call to them and just ask those details, or they ready for the job or not. So these all are the daily things in which hiring will in which involved in hiring. So the maybe the agents will replace this all thing. So this is a email from CEO actually. So another one thing is DeepMind CEO is there, right? Demis Hassabis. So what he told is within 10 years all AI could cure all the diseases. Recently I have heard a thing that it cured some back pain for some person. I have read it in some AI channel or something. So these are the things I have seen in right now. Before doing this video I have just seen these two things. So in next video I'll just explain this workflows and how the workflows are created using some different third-party applications like Na10 or relevance.ai and everything. So I'll explain those things, and what is the workflow I have created for myself, I will tell those also. So thank you. Let's meet in next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe before closing my channel. Thank you.